Hello everyone, my name is Archie and today we are going to study about quadrilaterals. So let us first understand what a quadrilateral is. A quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides, four vertices, that is A, B, C, also we can know them by corners, and it has four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and the sum of all these four angles will always be 360 degree. Also, it has two diagonals that will always intersect each other. That is, AC will always intersect BD. Okay, so I think that is clear. Now let us look at the types of quadrilaterals, each having a different and a unique property. Okay, so first is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides equal and parallel. That is, for example, AB, if we look at this parallelogram, AB will be equal and parallel to CD. Parallel to CD and AB equal to CD. Also, similarly the other pair as well, AD and BC, AD will be parallel to BC and AD will be equal to BC. Opposite angles will always be equal. Angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. Okay, the next one is a trapezium. It has only one property, that is one pair of opposite sides is parallel. That is, either of the two sides, one pair will be parallel. That is, AB will be parallel to CD. AB will be parallel to CD always. The next one is a rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral having opposite sides equal and parallel. That is, AB will be equal to CD and BC will be equal and parallel to AD. So, AB will be parallel to CD and AB will also be equal to CD. Similarly, the other pair AD will be parallel to BC and AD will also be equal to BC. All sides are perpendicular to each other. That is, this side will be perpendicular to this side and similarly all the other sides, which means that all angles will be 90 degree. So all angles will be 90 degree and that is perpendicular to each other. The next one is a square. A square is a quadrilateral that has four sides and all these four sides are equal and parallel to each other, and all the angles of a square will also be always 90 degree. So all these sides are equal and all the angles are perpendicular to each other, that is 90 degree. Next one is a rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral that is very much similar to a square, that is all the four sides are equal and parallel, with just one difference, that is the diagonals of a rhombus will always intersect each other at 90 degrees. That is, the diagonal AC will always be perpendicular to BD, forming a 90 degree angle. Okay, the next one is a kite. Kite is also known as a diamond and it also has only one property, that is the adjacent sides in a kite will always be equal. Adjacent sides we can see here, AB will be equal to AD and BC will be equal to CD. So here we get AD equals to AB, okay, and CD will be equal to CB. Okay, so that's all for the quadrilaterals and the types of quadrilaterals. There are a few more types of quadrilaterals. So with this we come to the end of this session. I hope you all now understand what is a quadrilateral and what are its types. There are a few more types of quadrilaterals, but we will learn about them when we study the chapter in detail. So that's all for today. Thank you.